Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your touchpad isn't working on LENOVO IDEAPAD SLIM 3 Chromebook. To resolve this issue on your PC, simply press the Shift button 5 times in a row. And this should re-enable your built-in touchpad. And if this didn't help you, hold down the power button until your device shuts down. And then, after about 5 seconds, short press the power button once again to relaunch your device. After that, the issue should be gone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.